Welcome back. This is the second strategy that based on RSI chart bar indicator. It is variation of previous RSI strategy with extended take profit. We need two indicators to find out trading setup for this strategy. First indicator is RSI chart bar. You can download this indicator through link given in description. Period of RSI set to 21, RSI price is set to 0 which mean close price. Overbought level is set to 75, while oversold level is set to 25. Second indicator is simple moving average on main chart. You can set price of 100 bars using simple method and apply to close. Time frame. You can use any time frame that suit your trading style, but this strategy is best worked on 1 hour chart. Remember, larger time frame required larger stop loss and take profit, while shorter time frame will have stop loss and take profit to close. Trade setup. First we discuss sell setup. When blue bars appears on main chart, that mean RSI is at overbought level. Price must be above the 100 bar moving average. For buy setup. When red bars appear on chart and price is below the 100 bar moving average. Trading entry point. Buy entry. When red bar appears below the 100 bar simple moving average and price goes above moving average, wait until two candles close completely above the moving average. At start of next candle, take buy position. Similar for sell setup. When two candles completely closed below the moving average. On start of next candle, you can take sell position. For sell entry. Stop loss should be placed at recent high plus ask bid spread. For buy entry, stop loss should be placed at recent low minus ask bid spread. Exit strategy. We set take profit at 1/1.5 extended ratio and exit on reaching target or hitting stop loss. This can be achieved by putting advance take profit. Second, if opposite setup occurred, if our entry is on buy side and sell setup occurred, we will exit. If our entry is on sell side, on appearing of buy setup, we will close entry manually. Now we take an example of setup, entry, and exit on MetaTrader 4. This is $Canadian 1 hour chart. In this chart, you can see red bars appeared below the 100 bars moving average. This is called buy setup. In next few candles price went above the moving average and two candles closed above moving average. This is our buy entry point at 1.3492. Remember, these two candles must not touch moving average, otherwise entry point is not valid. Stop loss place below the recent low at 1.3419. Almost 73 pips from entry. Now take profit at 1.3603 which is 1 to 1.5 ratio as compared to previous strategy. We will fix this take profit at the time of entry. If sell setup appears during this entry, we will exit our buy trade and will not wait take profit target to reach. You can change, modify, or alter this strategy according to your trading style. Our goal is to get right from information and earn from trading. Forex trading involves high risk of loss. Only trade with funds you can afford to lose, and past performance is not indicative of future results. For more Forex strategies and information, please like, keep sharing and subscribe this channel. You can share your results, reviews about this strategy and improvements on comment section. Thank you.